Come up here! Go around the back!
Hey, man.
Nice job getting that phone message. What's up with Jizzy?
Dead. So what's the plan?
T-Bone security got here real early. They got men on the roofs watching over the pier. Hey, okay. Yeah, I see you. That was Woozy's boys. They're in place. Look down by the side entrance.
Shit, they heading up to the roof.
Shit! Mina, we're gonna have to take out T-Bone's men on the rooftop before this whole gig blows wide open. Shit, they walked right into it. One of those triad boys is down. Hey, there's still some on the left, CJ.
Man, my busing was tight.
Here comes T-Bone.
And here's that snake Ryder. Look at that fool, hanging out with the ballers like they was lifelong pals. Something ain't right. Where's Torino?
Chopper inbound.
That's gotta be Torino. Oh shit, he'll see the bodies on the rooftops.
It's too late, man. He's tripping out, Holmes.
Smoke grenades? So much for a surprise. Come on, we gotta take these fools right now.
I'm losing patience fast, cabrón.
Slow down, Carl. Mendez, I see you, Rifa motherfucker!
Hey, Ryder, sherm-head asshole, where you think you going?
Can't stop me.
He's headed for those boats!
Don't worry about it, I got this.
Perdón.
Dios mío, my boat!
You sold us out, Ryder. You fucked us off.
I'm a motherfucking G.
What's up, Caesar?
Hey, you okay, Holmes? We've been watching from the pier with binoculars.
Yeah, I'm good, I think. Listen, you guys better clear out. The cops gonna be all over the spot in a minute.
Sure thing, see you back at the garage.
It's a robbery, don't make it a murder.
Do be so
Slow it down, asshole!
Catalina, is that you again?